Hey y'all, we're back. We're back. I got the ignition timing set. Got everything set up where I needed it. I don't have a proper plug like I do for the old engine. RVS has the adapter on the bushing on the carburetor, right? It's got a couple set screws on it, and for this motor, you need to take that bushing off the back side of the carburetor and just use the little. So I got a old pill bottle in there that I had the nuts and bolts, holding stuff here. Quite a bit difference in size, I guess on the old motor you could put the big carburetor right in the stuffer or the vibration eliminator, right? So isolator, whatever you call it. It seems to be okay. We pumped her up. She's holding air. So far so good. I'm gonna throw the clutch side on now, and it's all downhill from here. We'll be able to take old Bessie in the house with us tonight and let her stay nice and warm until we find a go-kart to put her on. But that's it for now. Plugged up, got her all plugged up, and pressure testing, and she passes the test. So spent the day out in the garage playing around. Messed around with base gaskets and stuff, trying to get things right. I spent a lot of time looking at notes, and I got notes all the way back to 2010 in here from both these different homologations of Vortex, and I had to go all the way back to how I got the motor when it was, from the factory, and what we changed and how we progressed through making changes with the port timing, so yeah, just messing around. So I think this will be a good place to start, and we'll continue to play with it as we go along. So that's it for now. We're gonna get her in the house. Talk to y'all later.